is cherry. 啊？要噻，买点噻。有个视频嘛。Now we are in our night of Chengdu. It's around my apartment. This is a cake store. This is a pharmacy store. Here, this one is a cell phone store. Hey Jay, say hello. The small girls say my wife's hair is very long. The girl is so happy with my son. She wants to touch the baby. You see. The small girl has a younger sister too, so she's very happy with the small baby. Yes, small children like small baby. Maybe that is the child world. So in China, many people are eating outside. This is barbecue. This is sheep. Oh, but this store seems nobody. But here, in China, this kind of how should I say that in English? In Chinese, 串串. It's very famous in Chengdu. This is also famous in Chengdu. It means hot pan. In Chinese, 火锅. Okay, hot pan. This food store is I always went to. This is Xiao Tao Mi Yang Fa Guan is for hair care. This is a breakfast store. I always go to here. 多少钱？哦。Oh. Okay, someone is sitting. It's cherry. 啊？要噻，买点噻。
好多个？11个。我们的是只给老面做的，不是他们那个发小很多。这个是。
我们拿一袋嘛，拿一袋就有了，不要拿太多了。啊？2个人要一个嘛。
哎呀，给我19块钱，19给我19。
一下19是吧？ OK 好。微信扫哪儿呢？ So we do the payment by this kind of. Let's see. I'm doing the payment. Other is also doing the payment. You see, we scan this barcode. Okay, it's work. No. 好。19 RMB.
这个是
我经常来买。
Okay,
基本上都是
with my finger, then the money out. 好了。
好了，行。
So we buy this. Okay. 就这样回去了噻。
你们可以先磨下细粉了。
嗯。
磨下细粉。
Here this is pineapple. 10块2个是吧？哦。啊？10 RMB. You can buy 2 pineapple, but it's small. There's also many food store here around our apartment. This is a noodle store. There's another phone store, a smartphone store. There's also a food store, noodles store. What that? And this store, this in Chinese tea. Oh no, in English tea, in Chinese 茶. Here this one is a small supermarket. In that side is a fruit store. Fruit store here. Here this one is also a small supermarket. Now we are back home. In China, the against COVID-19 is very seriously. So you see everyone getting to. I have to scan my face. You see, I'm getting to. This is in our apartment. So little. This is the night view of my apartment. You see, many people are in their house. Many people. All the home lights, LED are lightning. Even here, they are here. This is our neighborhood. Hi. Hi. Hello. This is my son's brother, my neighborhood. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hey. Hey, Jay. Hello. Will I say hi to your brother? 哎，好够了。